Welcome to our tutorial about cable trenches. Cable trenches consist of polylines which connect parts of the electrical hierarchy, such as strings and different device areas. They must build up the connection up to the grid. For creating cable trenches, we right-click the cable trenches entry and we say Draw. Now we go down here. And one thing we have to consider is that the cable trench has to cross the insertion line of the tables. So our cable trench starts a little bit lower and we go up and it leads just a little bit above the last table. Now we go to the right and we switch on the object snap so we can directly connect it to the device area. We name this cable trench South. The symbol at the end of the cable trench signalizes that this cable trench is connected to a device area. If we disconnect this cable trench, the sign will change, so there is an empty circle. If we reconnect it, there is a full circle again. Later we will see that the sign will switch again when the full connection to the grid is established. First, we create another cable trench for the north. The start point is above the last table and we go down so it crosses the insertion line of the first table for the northern part. Again, we establish a connection and we name it cable trench north. So now both cable trenches are connected to the central device area. This one is still highlighted in red because it's not connected to the grid. Now we go and create the grid cable trench. We say Draw again and we connect these two device areas. And we will immediately see that the symbol at the end is another one. Cable trench grid. Now we can see an arrow. This arrow signalizes the flow of the current in direction of the string. And here at the first device area we can see the symbols of the cable trenches have changed too. So we can always see at the beginning and at the ending of a cable trench the flow direction of current. Now we push the refresh button so the entry for the first device area recognizes that it's connected. Now you can go to the next tutorial where we go on with the layout zones.